Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to contact Wix customer service. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open a browser and type here wix.com/contact, and you will directly jump into Wix contact page. And now you have to select a topic. So I'm going to selecting here accepting payments, and now select the topic from this list, and now click on this talk to human, and select start a live chat. And here you can see waiting for a chat agent to join, so you have to wait for a couple of minutes, then agent will be joined to this conversation, and after that you can directly discuss or you can get support from the agent. So this is how we can contact Wix customer service. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.